Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at how to create a cross filter in reporting in Salesforce. It doesn't matter if you're studying for your Salesforce admin exam or you're creating reports for your org. Creating cross filters is a kind of an essential tool you're going to need to learn, and it's going to save you a lot of trouble. But if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit the like button on the video if you found this interesting and useful. And if you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping new Salesforce content each week, and I really appreciate it. So we're going to go ahead and jump into this thing. I want to show you the official kind of Salesforce definition, and this is on help.salesforce.com. So what is a cross filter? Use a cross filter to fine tune your results by including or excluding records from related objects and their fields without having to write formulas or code. You can also apply cross filters by themselves or in a combination with field filters. And the link for this is in the description if you want to take a look at it. But we're going to go back over to our report here in Report Builder. So if you're not already in on the report tab, go ahead there. I'm creating a new report. As you can see here, this is a new accounts report. And I've got some basic information added in here. We've got last activity, account owner, account name, billing street address, all that jazz, right? So to add a cross filter, you actually need to be on the filters tab here by outline. And you're going to hit this drop down. Now you can see we have the add cross filter option. We'll select that. So now we're looking at show me accounts. Because this is the main object, that is all you can select here. And then so we have the next option. So we got accounts with or without. And then you can select your secondary object here. So we have quite a few different options. We'll go ahead and select cases. So we're going to look for accounts that have cases associated to them. So I'm going to hit apply. All right, perfect. So we just added our very first cross filter here. So these are accounts that have cases associated to them. But what's really cool about cross filters and that I love is you can actually go in and refine this more. So if you go down here to this add case filter option, we're going to add another filter that is specific to the case object. So we got case ID, case number, contact name, account name. So if we do account name, for instance, we'll select that and we can have it equals, not equal to, have it contains. So I already know these accounts have cases associated to them. So I wanted to write edge communication on here and then hit apply. It will single out any account name that contains edge communications that has a case associated with it. So when you run it, you can see that is the only record. We'll go back in the edit. But it is a super cool thing. So maybe you're looking for something else here. We'll delete that out. Go back in. So maybe you're looking at cases with a certain type. You come in and it's like, oh, mechanical cases that have a mechanical type. Apply. All right, so we have these 4 here that are mechanical type cases associated with these accounts. Or maybe we change it to electronic. Oh, we have 2, which is great. Now, if you wanted to look at a different object, you can come back up here. So you're looking at accounts with, you can change it to any of these other objects. So maybe contacts. So all these 12 accounts have contacts associated with them. So yeah, you can come in and change this to other options. So it took the cross filter away, but you could add it in again and maybe do accounts without activities. So all these accounts have no activities, and then we can go down further. Maybe we have with the date, and you can do a date range or use a relative date like. All right, so all these have accounts without activities last month. So all these accounts had no activities last month. So that's really cool feature. So cross filters are great. So you can look at different objects in your reporting. So it's super useful, super powerful. And if you are studying for your Salesforce admin exam, it will be on your test, and you'll have to kind of have a scenario that you have to work through that utilizes cross filters. So I recommend, getting some practice in your trailhead orgs, read some material online. But if you found this video useful, make sure to give it a like button. I really appreciate it. It helps the YouTube algorithm. And I will see you in the next video.